Alright. We are heading back out to check up on the ducks. So, we just barely missed it, but Super Croc mounted Fred completely. So we're hoping that that did something, even though we're not in baby season at the moment. Oh yeah, I bet you they'll try breeding more once it's mating season. Maybe.
Ducks breed all year.
Okay.
We just won't hatch any eggs.
Duck, duck. Duck, duck. So, Ducky. Ducky's super duper scared of Super Croc, so now she won't even go near him. Also, we just had like a bunch of, is this duck a boy? Is this duck a boy? Where I was like, is Fred a male? Is Junior a boy? And then Fred got mounted and we're like, nope. And then I was like, oh wait. Junior doesn't even have the curly tail, which males have, so we're all good on that. Plus, she's super loud. She's like the loudest duck we own, and the only loud duck so far. They're all figuring out how to quack, but she's the only one who's mastered it so far. Also, like, terrible lighting in here. I don't know if it's the time of day or what. Probably. It's like 9 a.m.?
10:30.
Oh, okay. Sorry, there's something on the lens. Boyos heading over there. Why is there like zero lighting? Why are you not out yet, son? Banana. Eating the water.
Full on heat of the day and the sun's right over, they go hide under the coop.
Yeah, they just go and they sit underneath there. We thought that there was an egg in there for a second because I felt something round and then I pulled it out and it was a pine cone. Shush! No. You know. Wow, it worked. Oh yeah, and we're moving the water bucket in to keep it out of the snow.
This winter, their watering thing would be berries.
Yeah. We also have to fix the hose again to make it longer. Ah, Ducky dove. That's like the coolest thing she does. She just disappears completely. Like, she's standing up right now, so the water's not very deep. But, like, she just completely disappears. The boys are very loud at drinking over there. Alongside another duck. Who is that? George? Yeah, George is in the background, like, hiding back behind Basilisk's tail. She's camera shy. Actually, I've noticed George seems to really like hiding behind other ducks every single time they bring out the camera. She actually might be camera shy. Which would be funny. Yeah, true. She's like, mustn't let them see my face. Sneezing. You guys are all so cute. There's nowhere to sit down, so the camera's gonna shake a tiny bit because I'm balancing on my toes. Oh, chunky duck coming through. She can't get it out. Pretty blue eyes. Wow, they're like almost turquoise color. Who's your guys' favorite duck? Like out of all 14 subscribers, I want to get 14 answers. I want to know who you guys like the most. My favorites are Fred and Basilisk, because they're mine. I mean, so's George, and I like George too. But like, you can only pick 2 ducks, your top 2 ducks. So there's Junior, the white one, Ducky, the little mallard, Fred does not have any brown speckles on her white spot, Banana does not have any white whatsoever, George is camera shy and has brown spots on her neck, Basilisk is big, chunky, and blue, and Super Croc is pretty but a jerk. I mean, he's probably a good duck in real life, but like, he's kind of rude to everybody else. So who's your favorites? Naomi, who's your 2 favorite ducks?
2 favorites? That's hard.
Pick.
Ducky
Yeah.
and probably the like gray Swedish or whatever.
Blue Swedish.
Blue Swedish?
Basilisk.
Yeah.
So you like Ducky and Basilisk?
Yeah,
I mean, so she likes hers, Tiny Boy. Basilisk. Typically they're all but 2 of them are girls, but I just say Tiny Boy. Okay, Mom, who are your 2 favorites?
I love them all. I don't know. I think they're just fun.
Pick.
Ducky and Banana.
Ducky and Banana.
I don't know.
Awen would probably say Junior.
Yes, I'm sure.
Probably Banana too, because she likes her name a lot. Rayleigh would say Banana and, or Ducky, because she just likes saying Ducky.
And Mohana would say Super Croc and Basilisk.
But Rayleigh also loves hugging Junior, so I don't know. They're good ducks.
Yeah.
And they're pretty ducks.
Mom.
And they're stupid. But that's just fine. Look at how pretty she is. She looks like a little fluffy angel. She is one of the prettiest. That pure white coat. Almost pure white. She's got some little gray spots up by her head. Still yellowish there. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Basilisk is our prettiest. And then Ducky, and then Junior. And then Super Croc. And then George, and then Fred, and then Banana.
Well,
In my opinion.
look at Super Croc's wing, how it's like dark into light, like that tree of
They're like
radiant.
fade.
Okay, I'll be in
Hey, Mahanrai!
a minute.
Who are your 2 favorite ducks? Okay, Super Croc and Basilisk, the
Like I
boys.
thought.
Alright, yep, you were correct. Look how stupid they are. They're all so pretty, but so dumb. I love them. Hey, do not kick the cat! Kicked Misty. That white dropped the cake. Whoa!
What?
So my friend and I were thinking of doing animal voiceovers. Tell me if you guys like that idea. And also, sorry for this video coming out late. I was busy. Actually, I pretty much have like no excuse except for the fact that I forgot. So yeah. Should we do voiceovers? With the ducks and our cats and dog and chickens. And the children, that'd be funny. You could just add in the kids occasionally. You can hear the neighbor's chickens squawking in the background. They didn't get chickens until they came over and saw ours and was like, wow, that's super cool. You get nice eggs from that. I'm like, yeah, you want to buy some? Like, no, we're getting our own chickens. Like, well, thanks. That totally helps out with business. You are mean. Scared them all out. Fluffy girl. Banana looks so pretty in the sunlight. Water boys. So those are Mohanra's two favorite. Alright. I'm gonna go do that now. Ah, she likes stretching her wings. That's our prettiest chicken, in my opinion. Arax, she's mine. I like her a lot.
Guys, walking out and leave your door open.
Yeet. Look, see those? She's just like a tiny little angel over there. Almost looks like a swan. Speaking of swans, you know Ron Swanson from Parks and Rec? I met a guy named Ron Wanson, and that's amazing. Also, look, our garden is growing up. So we got oreganoes, lavender, and mint. And it's pretty tasty. Pretty nice mint. My mom makes non-alcoholic mojitos with kefir grain. It's really good. The trek back to the house to turn off the hose. Cat! Kitty, kitty, cat. Misty! Come here, baby girl. I'm too tall for this. She's 7. She's our oldest kitty. She's a tortoiseshell Siamese. She's got blue eyes. She's really pretty. I love her. Aw, and look at her fluffy belly. Wiggly tail. So yeah, we call her the great aunt. She's the aunt cat. Then Malin, who's mine, is the mama cat. And then we've got her 3 babies. Technically only 2 of them, because one of them despises humanity and won't come near us. Which is totally relatable. Yeah, Mom? What? Okay, I don't know what that looks like. Ah, you're teasing me. Okay, I'll pet you. Yeah. Happy, happy cat. She's like, pet me, pet me. She's the house cat, the family cat. But my little sister Naomi gets to keep her. Ooh, and away she rolls. She's got a really pretty coat. I don't know what my mom was wanting, so. So we have some plans. Not sure if we're gonna pull through on them or anything, but like, you can hear the neighbor's chickens over there. This is our fire pit and wood pile. And the plan is we're gonna burn all that wood, which we've had for like 3 years, in that fire pit, and just pile it all up and let it blaze. Then we want to move the fire pit over there and put in a pond. So there's like a waterfall right there that comes in, and it'll be 20, how long?
18 pretty much.
Yeah, it'll be 18 this way and then 18 across. And the deepest we'll go is like, yeah, 3 feet. And so that way I can swim, and I want to put fish in there. We can grow plants all the way around it. And I'm planning on getting a cacti garden, even though my mom doesn't like cacti very much. Yeah. Over here's our garden. It's doing pretty well. This is my strawberries. I named her Veronica. We've got her little babies. They're all dying. Other little babies also all dying. This is Frederick. He's my tomato plant. He does red pear tomatoes. Ooh, I think one's ripe. Or at least almost. Ah, that's a very large spiderweb. I'm not going near that. People in this family don't like spiders. Also, both Samantha died. Sophie's okay though. This is just empty. This is just chickweed and clover. Sort of just grows here. Got all of this here. Nasty chickweed plants. Some pretty clover. And chickweed and clover are actually technically herbs, so you can use them for a whole bunch of stuff. Got this big old tree that's kind of useless, and that big old tree that's also kind of useless. And these daisies that are growing right there. Pretty sure they're like Oxford daisies, but I have absolutely no idea because I don't care. Oh, that's like it. We got this like little slightly mossy walkway. Like there's just little bits of moss all the way along there, and it's super duper cute. Goes all the way up to our front yard. And it's like the prettiest, greenest spot of all. And we have like all these big, thick plants growing in. All of them are weeds, but I still like them because they're cute. We got this massive pallet board we aren't doing anything with. And this bike that's useless and we want to sell. We're probably going to take it to DI. Here's our beautiful lavender bush. We just trimmed off all the lavender. Over here is our thyme plant with our little rock that says thyme. We've got, this is my mom and I's herb garden. So we've got lamb's ear, echinacea. My flax just died because it's garbage. Horseradish. We planted calendula seeds, but so far nothing's coming up. And we have snapdragons right there. They don't actually count as an herb, they're just pretty. Rosemary. Actually, I don't know about those. Chocolate mint. They're growing out over their rock. Horehound. Chamomile. Don't worry, it dies like this normally here in Utah. This is both mine and my mom's. Chive. Grows really great here for some reason. Yarrow also grows really great here for some reason. Lemon balm. Woohoo, those like mushy ground. These here succulents that we really like, but we're gonna pull them all out and plant a rose bush. I've been collecting these and putting them in my fairy garden because I want to grow them because I like them. So they just pop out of the ground like that. So. Oh yes, this one came out with roots. Perfect. I can actually plant it now. Okay. Gotta get myself some lovely old soil. Put this in there and then leave it for like a month, occasionally watering it in sunlight. At least that's what I'm pretty sure what you're supposed to do with it. Well, yeah, that's the video for today. Sorry that we're late with it and everything. Bye.